Now, dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 10 Subject Social Science chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is Places of the Indian Cultural Heritage. Now, dear children, today we have to learn about the Red Fort. Dear children, today what we have to learn? We have to learn about the information of the Red Fort. Red Fort, it means Lal Killo. Red Fort located at Delhi. Where the dear children Red Fort is located? Red Fort is located at the Delhi, and the Red Fort was built by Shah Jahan in 1638. What happened, the dear children? Here Red Fort was built by the Shah Jahan in which year? In 1638. So dear children, you have to remember that the Red Fort is located at Delhi and was built by Shah Jahan in the year 1638. This fort is made up of red stone. What happened, dear children? Here, this fort is made up of which stone? This fort is made up of red stone. Shah Jahan found city, namely Shahjahanabad. What happened, dear children? Here, Shah Jahan found this city, namely Shahjahanabad, in the same fort which was named after him. This fort include. Now, what happened, dear children? In this red fort, they have to include red fort. Now, this fort is include Diwan-e-Aam, Diwan-e-Khas, Ram Mahal. This all things was included into the red fort. Diwan-e-Khas is more magnificently decorated than other buildings. Yes, children, we remember that what Diwan-e-Khas is more magnificently decorated than other buildings. It is decorated with an amalgamation of the gold and silver. What happened, dear children? Here, this is also the amalgamation of the gold and the silver and embedded with the precise stone. The other building of the red fort are the other. What happened, dear children? Here, the other building of the red fort are Ram Mahal, Mirror Palaces of Mumtaz, Lahori Gate, Meena Bazar, and the Mughal Garden. What happened, dear children? Here, the other building of the red fort are Ram Mahal, Mirror Palaces of Mumtaz, Lahori Gate, Meena Bazar, and the Mughal Garden, which are the center of the attraction of the Red Fort. What happened, dear children? This is the center of the attraction of the Red Fort. Peacock Throne is the best exquisite creation of this fort. Which one, dear children? Here, Peacock Throne is the best exquisite creation of this fort, which Nadir Shah took along with him to the Iran. What happened, dear children? Here, the Peacock Throne took by the Nadir Shah along with him to the Iran. Red Fort is one of the outstanding building among the Mughal art of the architecture. What happened, dear children? Here, Red Fort is one of the outstanding building among the Mughal art of the architecture. Every year, our Indian flag is hosted on the Red Fort on the national festival. Dear children, you know very well that and you remember that every year our Indian flag is hosted on the Red Fort on the national festival. That means in Independence Day, Republic Day, 15th August, 26th January, our Indian flag is hosted on the Red Fort on the national festival. After, dear children, they have given the information of the Fatehpur Sikri. Which one? Fatehpur Sikri. It is 26 miles away from the Agra in Uttar Pradesh. Where the Fatehpur Sikri is there, dear children? Fatehpur Sikri, it is the 26 miles away from the Agra in the Uttar Pradesh. Akbar has found this city in the memory of Sufi son Sheikh Salim Rishti. What happened, dear children? Here Akbar has found this city in the memory of Sufi son Salim Chishti. Salim Chishti, he made it his own capital city. What happened there? He made it his own capital city. the building construction of Sikri. What happened there, dear children? Here, the building construction of Sikri was started in the 1569 and completed till 1572. It means this building construction of the Sikri started in 1569 and completed into 1572. This is the best building among them of the palaces of the Birbal, golden palaces of the Bibi Mariam, and the palace of the Turki Sultan, Jama Masjid and Buland Darwaja. Buland Darwaja of Fatehpur Sikri. What happened dear children? Here Buland Darwaja of Fatehpur Sikri is 41 meter wide and 50 meter high. What happened dear children? Here Buland Darwaja of Fatehpur Sikri is 41 meter wide and 50 meter high is there. The other well-known and remarkable building of the Sikri are palaces of Jodhabai. What happened dear children? Here they have given that the other well-known as well as the remarkable building of the Sikri are palaces of the Jodhabai, Panch Mahal, Tomb of Sheikh Salim Rizvi, Diwan-e-Aam, Diwan-e-Khas and Jyotish Mahal. These all are the remarkable building of the Sikri. After dear children, they have to given about the churches of the Goa. What they have given them? They have to given the information of the churches of Goa. It means Goana Devudu. The Christian missionary. What happened dear children? Here the Christian missionaries came to the India with the Portuguese to spread the Christianity. What happened dear children? Here the Portuguese to spread the Christianity. That's why the Christianity missionary came to the India with the Portuguese to spread the Christianity. Goa was the capital of the Portuguese at that time. What happened dear children? Here Goa was the capital of the Portuguese people. Goa is the capital of the Portuguese. Many churches were built in Goa. What happened dear children? Here the many churches were built into the Goa. Now they have given the name of the churches. The churches of Basilica of Bom Jesus. The churches of the Basilica of Bom Jesus and Basilica of Good Jesus. What two names they have given them dear children? Here they have given that many churches were built in the Goa. Now dear children, they have given the name of the churches. Now like which churches? The churches of, they have given the name of the churches. There here the churches of Basilica of Bom, Basilica of Bom Jesus of and the Basilica and the Basilica of God Jesus are in the old Goa. The relics of Saint Francis Xavier. What happened dear children? Here the Saint Francis Xavier is kept in the coffin in the church of the Goa. What happened dear children? Here the relics of the Saint Francis Xavier is kept the coffin in the church of the Goa. His dead body has not decayed even after so many years. What happened dear children? Here they have to say that his dead body has not decayed. Decayed it means sudden. Decayed even after so many years. Besides, there are the many churches in the Goa. What happened there? Here in Goa, so many churches are there into the Goa. It is well renowned for its beautiful beaches and its artisan churches. What happened there? Here Goa, it is well renowned for its beautiful beaches and it is the artisan of the churches. And dear children, you know very well that this is Goa is also the tourist place is there also. Here many films are shoot into the Goa city. So dear children, what happened that today we have to learn about the Red Fort, Fatehpur Sikri and churches of the Goa. Out of them, Red Fort is the very important question for the short note or the board examination, and you have to remember from the Red Fort that it is located in Delhi and built by Shah Jahan in 1638. And second thing, you have to importantly remember that every year our Indian national flag is hosted in the Red Fort on the national festival. So dear children, be careful. This is the very important question for the board examination here for the city. It is 26 miles away from the Agra in Uttar Pradesh. And last, we are learning about the churches of Goa. Here the Portuguese spread the Christianity and the Goa is the capital of the Portuguese. Thank you, dear children.